He watching. He ready to get out of there.
I won't complain, self-information the only way.
And here's the bottom of the frame. You can see how I drill these holes in there so I can put the screws in there more deeper. Painted it green. What I did was I took the silicone and I silicone the two sides down. I think that will hold it good enough. I'm not really for sure, to be honest. I should have did this one as well, but I didn't want to. I just didn't want to, in all honesty. So whenever that dries, I'm gonna flip it over, take the bottom out, and then I'm gonna take all this out and make this the filter itself. So we're gonna get on that today. So it all worked out, flipping it over, getting the bottom piece for the top to make the top the bottom the top. Not figured out what I'm gonna do about this. Honestly, I'm probably gonna do it as an as-is project. Cause my big boy need to get out of that little tank. I thought of an idea on how I'm going to do the filter. Probably set it up over this way, or maybe either side. Make like a waterfall. You put a bunch of rocks up there. I'm trying to find some big ones. This is another reason why I thought about putting it on the floor. Because the stand I had it on, it would have had it all the way up to the ceiling. I'm too short for that. So we're going to go this route. I think it'll all work out. Since it's almost filled up, I'll get to talking about how I'm gonna do my filter. I think I'm gonna have it set up like this, going this way. Usually I have it where the filter coming like this way. I think I'm gonna have it like this way this time. So I'm probably gonna try to set up a bunch of rocks over this area and some big ones at the bottom, slowly coming up. Not really for sure, just a thought. Might do something just simple. May not even put nothing in the bottom one, honestly. But again, I don't even like that. I don't even like that, to be honest. I might put like black sand in the middle, or on that side, and have rocks on this side, and have my filter going that way. That might be a couple ideas. It's just a thought. I'm gonna sit on a couple of them. I'm gonna make me a top for this. I got this piece of glass right here that I wasn't able to get fully off of the top. So I'm gonna use it to my advantage to not make it look so awkward or weird. But overall, this is looking amazing. Overall, it's looking amazing. I'm really happy with what I got. I was blessed with a daughter, so that's another reason why I thought it'd be a good idea for it to be on the ground. When she gets to walking, she can just walk up right to it. It's so wonderful. Yeah. we're gonna get ready though. I'll probably have the water set up about right here. But we're gonna get her done. Stay tuned for the next rehoming video.